Hello and welcome to Oracle Database Video Tutorial Series. I'm Ahmed, and in this video we will explore how to create database objects by using SQL DDL statements and in some cases using SQL Developer. We'll take a look at how to use create table statement, and also we'll use SQL Developer as well to demonstrate creating some objects. In a create table statement, you provide table name after create table clause, and in the parentheses, we provide column list, column names with their data types and sizes separated by comma. After column list, we would provide constraint list. Constraints are a good way to make columns to store data in a restricted way. For example, if we don't want blank or null values to be stored in a column, we can apply not null constraint to impose this. In this demo, we are running the create table statement example we have just seen. We are creating employees table, but since employees table already exists in this user, we'll use employee underscore demo in this video. Create table and table name. Now provide columns with data types and size. In this demo, we wouldn't provide any constraint to keep things simple. Now run the statement, and here we go, table created. In this demo, we'll use SQL Developer tool graphical user interface to create table. Right-click on the tables node, provide table name. In this demo, we'll use test as table name. Now you can provide column name, data type, and size, and so on. Advanced check button will provide you with more detail. For example, constraints, storage options, and so on. But we'll stick to the basics in this demo. We'll provide these three columns, test ID, test description or DESC, and test date here. And when columns are provided, then click OK. Here we go, table is created. A primary key is a special column or a combination of multiple columns. It acts to uniquely identify every row in the table. This column cannot be null, and if it is a combination of multiple columns, then each one of them can't be null. This column or combination of columns is used as a reference in other tables to make a relationship with them. The table where this primary key resides usually is called parent table, whereas the table where this key is referenced or referred is called child table. The column or the combination of columns in the child table that are used as a reference to the parent table is called foreign key. In this figure, we can see column 1 of the parent table is used in child table as a reference. In the child table, the reference of the primary key is called foreign key, and this relationship in the figure that is shown by an arrow is called primary key foreign key relationship. In the example, we added another constraint after primary key. This is foreign key, and we are adding a foreign key named FK department ID and referencing departments table. What if we want to delete a row in the parent table and it is also referenced in the child table? In this case, Oracle wouldn't let us delete it unless we created the reference with some options explicitly provided. One option is on delete cascade. With this option, all the child rows will be deleted if we delete a referenced row in the master table. Another option as what to do in case of deleting master table primary key row is on delete set null. Because of the set null on delete, when a record in the master table is deleted, all corresponding rows in the child table will have the foreign key column values set to null. But in this case, you must keep in mind that the values in the foreign key column should not be set to not null constraint.